Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. So now that you are familiar with both the activation of customizer with the Yoast SEO and WooCommerce, the next thing that we are going to discuss is how can you activate the customizer in your blog-based theme using the code snippet. Now this is the article that I've created on this topic, which is right over here. This is the URL. I'll leave the link to the URL in the description box below. Okay, and this contains the code snippet, which is right over here. Now you will need this code snippet. You will have to add it in the functions.php file. I'll show that to you how you can add this code snippet. So you will have to copy this code snippet and follow these steps carefully, and it will activate customizer in your blog based theme. Okay, now again you will have to remember you won't be able to make changes to your typography or colors using this option. Okay, you will be able to change the site title, tagline, and upload the site icon and stuff like that, but you won't be able to make massive changes using or you won't be able to make the kind of changes that you make in a classic theme, in a blog based theme, using the customizer. So keep this in mind. Now to activate the customizer in a blog based theme using this code snippet, what you will have to do is you will have to head over to tools section, which is right over here. Go to the theme file editor, which is right over here. Okay, click the theme functions.php file, which is right over here. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Select it like this. Press two tabs, enter. Copy this code snippet. Now again, link to it is in the description box below. Okay. Paste it just like this and click update file. Okay, now on clicking update, let's just refresh this page. You see the customize option is right over here, and let's visit the home page. And the customize option is available right over here. Now when I will click this customize option, you see you get the option of the site identity, which is the site title, tagline, and site icon. You can change it from right from here. Now this is the homepage settings, from where you will be able to show what you can display on the homepage of your site. You can select a static page or display the latest post, whatever is that you are posting, to show up on the homepage. And the last is the additional CSS, where you can paste the code snippets, the CSS code snippets. Okay, so these are the only options that you get when you activate the customizer in the block based themes using the code snippet. Now again, there is no plugin as of now available to activate this option. I was unable to find one. In case you come across one, then let me know. Comment down below and I will create a video on it. Okay, the link to this article with the code snippet is in the description box below. Again, I have explained every scenario in this. The Yoast SEO scenario is here as well, and the WooCommerce scenario as well, and you can find the code snippet. Link to it again is in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. Now in case you face any problems, feel free to reach out, comment, and I will try and help. Okay, so this is how you basically activate customizer in the block based themes. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.